I chose Guardian because it was a referral from a friend. They had some roof work done and we're very impressed with them. So they were the first and ended up being the only bid. Actually, we did do one other bid, but we're not impressed with those individuals. Guardian came out, looked at everything, also addressed a lot of the ventilation issues since we have an older house that were not up to code. So they came out, replaced our entire roof, fixed any of the underlying issues, fixed all of our ventilation issues. So both the house and our separate garage are up to code and actually venting correctly, and just did an absolutely fantastic job. Was very impressed with the level of communication, the level of follow-up when they showed up, how quick everything was done, how well they kept the grounds clean. Highly recommend Guardian to anybody and everybody. If anybody ever asks me, I can assure you that I will be saying that Guardian's the place to go.